What? 5 to 8 inches of snow in Memphis, Tennessee? As a matter of fact, from my understanding, the entire state of Tennessee is under a winter weather advisory. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how you can prepare for the winter storm, no matter what state you live in. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Deborah Taylor, a certified probate specialist and licensed Tennessee real estate agent servicing the greater Memphis region. This channel, I provide tips, data, and real estate related information so that you know how to navigate the home buying or selling process. So unlike the northern states, who are often ready and prepared for winter storms, the southern states are a lot different. For the most part, we don't get a lot of snow, and when we do, it's gone the next day, and sometimes even the same day. But in this particular case, we are going to experience an excessive amount of snow. And so you know what that means: panic buying of eggs, milk, anything else they need to make sure that they are comfortable during the winter storm. But unfortunately, that's not going to keep you warm. So let me give you some things that you can think about doing in order to prepare for this winter storm. Number one, go ahead and gas up your vehicle. Your vehicle, in the event of a loss of power, could serve as a source of heat. It can also provide you with a way to charge up your devices. If you have a garage, learn how to open up your garage manually. And speaking of manual, make sure that you have can openers on hand to open your non-perishable items that you should be buying. And when the weather gets below freezing, make sure that you drip your water faucets and cover the outside spigots with an insulated cup. Cover your windows with plastic. Use painter's tape to make sure that you do not damage your walls after the storm is over. So that's all the tips I have for you now. If you like content like this, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you know the next time I upload a video. And if you have some other recommendations, go ahead and put them in the comments below. It's important to be warm and safe during times like this. Until next time, bye y'all.